Here they come.
So I put it here.
Yeah, let's put this in the corner.
Put this in
In the corner, that's right.
corner.
And now we're gonna cut with the scissors, aren't we? Oh, leave that there. Leave that there. Good job. Yay, Jonah. Good job, buddy.
What are they doing, Theo? Theo's watching too.
Nope.
No, sweetie, watch Daddy. Can you help him? Can you help him put the Christmas tree up? Look at what he's gonna do. Ooh. Oh, neat.
Does it fit?
Okay, so here's our Christmas tree. Our little one. We have baby's first Christmas from Catherine and Uncle Ray. Here's our poinsettia, and then here is Theo's stocking from Aunt Barb. The last one. Here's my mantle. I didn't go out all out this year. And then just other random stuff around the house, but that's the main. And Jonah was really into it today, getting the decorations on there. And in the kitchen here, I have Alice and Grace's Christmas tree. There's Dad's Christmas tree and Marnie's apple, a little mistletoe. And Santa with M&Ms. There's my Merry Christmas plaque. And the Christmas tree that nobody likes that I love. And Dad's Christmas tree and my nutcracker from Aunt Barb and Uncle Bud. And a little Santa there. And then this is my wreath with the grapevines from Dad. And then I put the berries around. It's hard to see. It's a little dark.